Cannot believe it, but this video is good through Sunday, November 2nd, 2014. My name's Des here at Grok Trade. Going to full high definition down here or over here, the little gear, and that'll help you out. Anyway, on Friday, markets take a big pop northbound. Yeah, the Dow up almost 200 bones. Not too shabby. And taking a look here, gold takes it on the chin, silver same, just crashing lower. Man, precious metals have just been in the toilet. And I want to go right here to the spider. Remember how on Thursday's video I said read the charts? And this is really interesting. We get a big drop on increasing volume. Then we get some capitulation right here, big spike. With that, we rally higher on smaller volume. It's like a jet going higher, but giving it less gas to do so. And then, to me, this is what it appears like. It appears like a last-ditch effort. You get this euphoria, this major pop, right before a big drop. I'm a poet and didn't know it. It was a unintended pun that I will accept. But check this red line coming across here. It's 201, a high. Hit resistance here, hit resistance here. These two areas we come across, boom, smash our head against it. Now this is the thing I'm watching for on Monday, and this is really cool if we can get this pattern. It's called an abandoned baby reversal pattern. What that is this. So you get this candlestick, we pop higher. We have a lower shadow here, we have an upper shadow, but we have an open window. This is called an open window, meaning that if I shot an arrow through here or a bullet, it wouldn't connect with any wicks, any shadows. It's open, it's an open window. If Monday we get a gap down and we get a close with another open window, meaning there's two open windows here, so this little candlestick is up here by itself, thus abandoned baby, then that is a very damaging reversal pattern in a bearish way. You should see an extreme pullback at that moment. That will be very interesting. It's interesting that we rallied higher, smashed our head against that resistance point. We dropped, we came back higher, and now we have what's called a dragonfly doji. If we get a down day, this could act as an evening star. This evening star is also a reversal pattern, but the coolest reversal pattern is an abandoned baby, and we have a great opportunity of seeing this. Now, I usually don't do this, but I did it today. I went ahead and added hedges, and now I'm net to the short side. I did unload some of my longs. I still got longs going. But I went ahead and went short, so I'm net to the short side right now going into the weekend because of what I'm showing you here. If you take a look here at the NASDAQ, had a nice pop, and now it looks like it's above these resistance points. Yeah, right above it, but watch for that abandoned baby here. If we look at a weekly chart on the NASDAQ, now you can see this for yourself. So you have the rising wedge and breakdown in a rally. Remember how I said look for a couple big chunky candlesticks? It should come up here, smash its head, and then retrace. That is what we're seeing right now. So this is what's called the kiss of death. It goes up here, it kisses it. There's the kiss, and it should retrace now. So this is a market warning, big time warning, guys. And if I go to the S&P, you'll see here we were at an area of resistance, but then we plowed through it, made these new highs, which is really interesting to see. Now, if I go to this shadow right there coming across, we're at that area of resistance. The previous high, we're right there at a previous all-time high. Interesting. Well, is it all-time? Let me see here. I'm not sure. I think it's all-time high for sure. So that's interesting to see. If I go to the monthly chart, because the month is over now. You have this massive rally. We go down here and test the bottoms of the S&P 500. We come running back. Big retracement here. So the month is still staying in there. The month seems to be just fine. The weeklies tend to be a little different. Here's the NASDAQ monthly. Went down, down. We come back up. It's really interesting to see how the monthlies will play themselves out. And for you gold people, let's go to the daily. You had this big gap down, busting this resistance. Let's go to a weekly on gold. There's your bear pullback. Said be looking for short opportunities and crash on some nice volume. The monthly chart here, crash. I can't even tell you the last time we were down this low. The last time we were down this low was 2010. Man, it's been 4 years since we've been this low in the precious metals. Here's silver monthly chart. Same thing. Comes crashing down. Here's the weekly chart on silver, low base. Look for a short bump to the downside. And here's the daily chart. We broke down Thursday, Friday, down again, but you had some buyers coming in. This is big time volume. This could be some capitulation taking place. So something to be watching out for. And gang, some of us are going to Vegas next month. I'm telling you, you need to spend your time in education. Don't invest in anything that trumps education. Be a smart, wise, savvy, sage trader. That is what we build. So we can help you with that. Don't spend your money on a trading computer. Spend it on education. Don't spend your money on paying too much on brokerage commissions. Spend it on education. So you have to first learn how to invest wisely. And I'm giving you this information free of charge. Invest in your education first so you can trade and reach your full potential in the live markets. And we're going to have a great time in Vegas. Spend 3 days with us. Even though it's 3 days, we will do lifelong mentoring with you. And how do you do that? By listening up to the next message.
This may or may not be you, but traders who come to Grok Trade for help are sharp, well-educated, and have made money in the past. However, trading was a real struggle for them. They bought high and sold low. They let small losses turn into large losses. They kept losing money. This does not have to be you. They made a change before it was too late. Grok Trade students trade within the live markets with confidence. Get signed up for mentoring today before it's too late for your trading.
I'm Tim Cole.
I'm Mike Reed.
My name is Randeep Kapoor.
Shane Parker.
Hi, I'm Steve Gould.
Mary Olson.
My name is Spiro Karajanis.
Mike Muller.
My name is Caroline Alexan, and I've been day trading full-time for about 2.5 years.
What did you think of the mentorship?
I am just thrilled with it. I think it's a great program.
It kept me going, kept my brain moving.
In 20 years, I learned this much about trading. I think that this weekend gave me this much to add on it.
This is actually my second time through mentorship, so this is a refresher for me. And I'm picking up nuggets that I missed the first time around, and I feel more confident to use all this information.
It's given me a skill level that's a much higher level.
You learn stuff that you will not learn in any other course. I've taken a bunch of different courses. I've never seen this stuff taught before. No one else teaches it. I mean, you've given us such golden nuggets today, or this week. You know, it's well worth taking this class.
It has helped unbelievably. I mean, I can't even explain it. I'm literally at a loss for words right now.
So if there was someone out there who was thinking about joining the mentoring class, kind of on the fence, what would you tell them?
I would definitely say this is something that you need if you're struggling with consistency in your trading results.
You need to have good education, good understanding, otherwise you will get killed in the market.
You can understand why they're doing what they're doing, how how to trade successfully, how to make the proper setups, what you're looking for, and how to go from being a newbie to a professional trader in a short period of time.
You're not going to be able, on your own, floundering or just reading books, to be able to sit down and pick the brain of very successful traders and be able to incorporate that into your own trading.
You learn something that you didn't know before, and learning is always good, no matter how old you are.
Mentoring is all about helping you really get your hands on and practice it.
I would tell anybody who's on the fence, it took me 20 years to learn this much. This much. And you know what? Maybe it's really this much, but I'm trying to, tell you that I know a little bit more. And I got this much, out of this weekend. So I think you got to be crazy to want to go through years of heartache to learn stuff that experts can teach you right away.
I've just realized being here how important it is to get some formal education in trading. You get so many things from so many different directions, and to have it all brought together and put in front of you, your toolkit so you can use it, is really invaluable.